Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this particular video we try to briefly discuss and understand our today's topic, which is on job description. Like, what is job description, JT? I will explain you this with the help of an example that I prepare for you guys. I have made a very good sample for you guys to understand job description. But before moving towards our video, if you didn't subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper yet, please do subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well. You will find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So let's get into this video. As written on your screen, job description includes basic job related data that is useful to advertise a specific particular job and to attract a pool of talent. Like, you know that it includes information such as job title, job location, reporting to and of employees, job summary nature, objective of a job, task and duties to be performed, working conditions, machines, tools and equipments to be used by a prospective worker, and hazards. So these all are information that is included in a particular job description. And like, the main purpose of job description, can say that is to collect job related data in order to advertise for a particular job. It helps in attracting, targeting, recruiting and selecting the right candidate for the right job, and it is done to determine like what needs to be delivered in a particular job. It clarifies what employees are supposed to do if selected for that particular job opening, and it gives recruiting staff a clear view what kind of candidate is required by a particular department or division to perform a specific task or job. Like, it also clarifies who will report to whom. So these all are the things that must be included in a particular job description, and it involves all sorts of information related to job related data. Now I would like to show you a beautiful example and sample that I prepare for you guys to understand this quite easily. So here is an example for you guys. Like, it is a JD that I prepare for you guys, and a position. Like, I already told you that all the information is included in a particular job description, as you can see by yourself. Like, this is a sample for you guys. It is a position for a chef, and there's each and everything is involved, is included in a particular job description. Like, to whom the chef reports to, like to restaurant manager, like provides direction for other cooks, team members, overseeing the operation of a fast food restaurant's kitchen, and the purpose of a job. This is most important. Like, you should have to briefly and precisely include a particular chef job purpose or a particular job purpose. And there are there is also jobs, duties and responsibilities is also there. Like, and there's position competencies as well. You can see this whole job description. I can't read for you guys now because it takes too much time to read, but the main purpose is you must know that how job description is made, and the main purpose is to show you a sample and example. If you want this sample, if you want this example, I will give you, just post a comment in description of this video, and I will get back to you inshallah in a few hours, or you can say as I am free for you guys. So but I will try my best to send to you as soon as possible. So as you can easily see, there is each and everything is involved in a particular. As you read this, you get the better idea related to that. So this is the video for all of you guys. Hope you understand about job description, like what is job description. If you like this video, thumbs up, do subscribe our channel Knowledge Shopper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well. You will find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Hope you understand this. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.